What springs to mind when you consider the impact of diet on kidney health? Perhaps it's a little hazy. If so, you're not alone. Today we'll unravel this complex topic and make it digestible. Firstly, we'll explore why diet is so crucial in the management of renal failure. Imagine your kidneys as your body's filtration system. They work tirelessly to remove waste from your body. However, in renal failure, this system is compromised. Thus, it becomes increasingly important to monitor what you're feeding into this system. The right diet can help reduce the workload on your kidneys, manage symptoms, and improve your overall health. So, what's on the menu for healthy kidneys? The best foods are those lower in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus. Fruits like apples, cranberries, strawberries, and vegetables such as cabbage, onions, and peppers are great choices. You can also enjoy grains like buckwheat and bulgur. Lean proteins like fish and egg whites are also beneficial. However, there are some foods that should be avoided or at least eaten sparingly. High potassium foods such as bananas, oranges, and potatoes can cause harm if your kidneys aren't filtering properly. The same goes for high phosphorus foods like dairy products and meats. And of course, foods high in sodium like processed foods should be limited as they can increase your blood pressure and cause further kidney damage. Fluid control is another important aspect of a kidney-friendly diet. If your kidneys aren't working as they should, they may struggle to remove excess fluids from your body. This can lead to swelling and high blood pressure. So monitor your fluid intake carefully. Now onto meal planning. It might seem daunting at first, but with a little practice, it can become second nature. Start with a basic plan for each meal, incorporating the foods we discussed earlier. For example, for breakfast, you might have an egg white omelette with peppers and onions. For lunch, a salad with grilled fish. And for dinner, a serving of buckwheat with a side of steamed vegetables. Remember, variety is key to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. To sum up, diet plays a pivotal role in managing renal failure. By choosing foods that are lower in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, you can help reduce the strain on your kidneys. Avoiding high potassium and phosphorus foods, controlling your fluid intake, and planning your meals can also make a significant difference. Remember, the power is in your hands. Your dietary choices can greatly enhance your quality of life and kidney health. It's about more than just what's on your plate. It's about empowering yourself to take control of your health, one meal at a time. So go forth and nourish your body with kidney-friendly foods because you, my friend, are worth it.